Welcome to Lenskart.com, India's largest optical store. At Lenskart, we sell 100% authentic products with 14 days money-back guarantee, and we help you save up to 50% as compared to your regular retailer. Placing an order on our website and getting your contact lenses delivered at your doorstep is extremely easy. There are 4 simple steps to place your order. Find your prescription information, provide us with your shipping information, fill your shipping information and select your payment method, and lastly, we will deliver your contact lenses to your doorstep. If you have prescription paper card from your doctor, it should have all the required information on it. Please fill the details accordingly, or if you're already an existing user, the power information should be written on your lens box. Power consists of few specifications. Spherical, this can be of a positive or negative sign. Cylindrical, this can be of a positive or a negative sign as well. Axis of the angle. If you have a cylindrical power, you will also have an axis. Please note, those who have cylindrical power, they will have to go for the toric lens. Lenses are categorized in 4 different categories based on brands, disposability, power and color of the lens. So for example, if you want to choose your contact lens based on disposability, then you have daily disposable lenses to be discarded on daily basis, bi-weekly disposable to be discarded on fortnightly basis, monthly disposable to be discarded on monthly basis, yearly disposable to be discarded after 1 year. Now if you choose monthly disposable, it means that you can use the lens for 30 days from the time you open the box. Disposable lenses come in a packed box with multiple lenses in each box, all having same power. Monthly disposable lenses have a pack of 6 lenses per box. If you buy 2 boxes, one for your right eye and one for your left eye, then you have got your 6-month supply. If you have the same power for both the eyes, you can also order only 1 box and make it a 3-month supply. Once you have selected your lens, click on Buy Now. You will have 4 options now. First, if you have your prescription paper card from your doctor, it should have all the information in it. Please fill the details accordingly. Second, if you would like to upload your prescription information, please click on Upload Your Prescription link. Third, if you are a regular buyer and you have the prescription information saved with us, please log in and use the saved information. Fourth, if you are unsure of the current power and you would like to get it checked before you share it with us, kindly select the 4th option, in which you would like to email us your prescription paper on support@lenskart.com, or you would want one of our specialists to call you for the information. Once the information has been properly entered, please click on Save and Continue and proceed to secure checkout. Please choose from the available 2 options. If you would like to proceed as a guest, please choose the option which says Continue without password. And if you are an existing user, please enter your email address and password and continue. Please choose from the saved address from your account, or you may add a new address for the delivery of this order. Please enter all your information and click on Continue. Selecting payment method of your choice. Partial payment, cash on delivery is available on certain PIN codes, else you can pay online via credit card, debit card or net banking. At any point of time, if you are at trouble or you have any question, our customer support officers are always available for your help. Once you order, our prescription specialists will take care of the rest and we will deliver it at your doorstep. Just enter your information and let's get started.